Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long & Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to Unit 202 in the Hawaiian Village Outrigger building in North Ocean City. This corner unit has the best views of the outdoor and indoor pools, coastal highway, and a little bit of the ocean. Enjoy the sun shining in all the brand new replaced storm-rated vinyl wrapped windows and brand new sliders to the balcony. The spacious living room includes a flat screen TV, dining set, queen sleeper sofa with newer mattress, and a new sleeper love seat. The updated kitchen has new quartz countertops, new stainless stove and built-in microwave, stainless fridge, new sink, disposal and faucet, and nice white cabinets with under-counter LED lighting. The oversized bedroom includes a queen-size bed, queen sleeper sofa and furniture, a spacious closet, and nice sitting area for privacy to enjoy. This unit has 2 full bathrooms which are nicely updated. A stacked washer and dryer is also included in this condo. There are very low condo fees which provide top-notch amenities here, including 2 pools, a hot tub, a new fitness room, and a gorgeous community room that can easily be reserved for owners. Your parking spot and guest spots are very convenient. There's plenty of bicycle storage, several outdoor showers to choose from to rinse the sand off from your short walk to and from the beach. Don't pass this one up.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.